Hey, it's Kate with WTI.
If you think that office chairs have to be ugly, think again because I have this beautiful one by Kwokwan. And not only is it gorgeous, it is also so comfortable. Take a look at this beautiful yellow faux leather material. You can tell how expertly this is crafted from the stitching to the chrome details. It has this really fun, modern, yet also kind of vintagey at the same time look about it. The seat is so cushiony and so comfortable, as are the armrests. It has wheels that glide across the floor, so it makes it really functional as an office chair. And then it also has the ability to lift or lower and a locking feature on the back. The back too is adjustable by 30 degrees, and it is also an ergonomic back, so it's super comfy when you have to sit for long periods of time to work at your desk. I'm just so happy with this because I think that not only is it beautiful, but it also is a very comfortable and supportive office chair. So it's kind of combining the best of both worlds. I really appreciate that style of back because it's so comfortable to be able to sit back in. It really gives a nice support to my lower back. But even if I lean forward in my chair, that comfy cushion, just everything about this chair is supporting me throughout my work. The armrest being nice and soft and being able to adjust that back. So I'm able to lean back if I want to. And then if I want to be sitting more upright, I can lock it in place.
I am so happy with this office chair, and I think that you will be too, but that's just my point of view.